Now, this is how you can disable Android lock screen, and let's get started. So, as you know, everything can be managed inside of the settings. So head over there, open up the settings app on your Android phone, and there, just scroll down until you find security and privacy. From these options, you can find the lock screen right there, and you can tap on expanding it. Right. So, and as you can in here, you can find the screen lock, and there are some options which you can switch in between. So, for example, you have the pattern, pin, or even biometrics like face and fingerprint. Obviously, this depends on your phone and the specific hardware and software that you run. But outside of that, the main point which I want to make, in order to disable the lock screen, meaning that it doesn't even appear anymore, for that you get to pick the none option for unlocking the screen, right? So if you set it to swipe, it will basically mean that whenever you tap or press the button, you will get to a lock screen, which then has to be swiped across to access the regular pages and like get inside of the phone. However, if you switch it to none, then you can just tap it or click the button and you are inside the phone directly and quickly like that. So this is completely bypassing the lock screen and disabling it in this sense. Obviously, a huge disclaimer is that I don't think that you should have the phone like this. That is for very specific use cases, because obviously it's not very secure to have it like that without any protection or passwords, biometrics, or anything. Well, I'm not recommending this by any means, but it's how it works. For some specific use cases, it might work. Like, let's say you have a phone by your desk or at the night table or whatever, where you don't even take it out of the house, so it's safe and secure there. And perhaps it might save you some time by removing the lock screen. So it might work in certain situations, but I'm not saying it's a good idea for everyone. So let me know below in the comments if this is what you meant and if you managed to do stuff on your phone that you wanted. If not, leave a comment saying what type of assistance you need more or what type of videos you would like to see in the future. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.